Yo.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm in trouble, dude.
Why?
My battery almost just caught on fire.
What?
I'm in the middle of the lake right now. Can you FaceTime real quick?
Hold on. I'm on my watch.
It burned right through the top of this. I don't know what to do, bro. The nut was on fire. I got like a 3rd-degree burn on my finger pulling it off.
I'm coming over. Just hold on.
Should I not do anything?
Not yet. Not until I get there. We doing 100 mile an hour going?
I was.
Yeah, bro. That's why. I can smell it. Don't cuss so much. I'm on video.
I'm on video? I think I try it now.
Yeah. I'm right here. It's working. There's 2 fish right there. I don't know. I just saw 2 shadows. Look at big, but it's been my first fish. Oh, this thing's getting more messed up. You gotta be kidding me, man. That was a decent one. Not even hooked. Finally. Just don't come off. It's a little guy. Better than nothing. 12 exactly. 12 exactly. Goodbye. Oh my goodness. I missed 2 decent fish and I get that one. Fish number 2. Not that big. All right. 12 and a half. Goodbye. Oh, that's a better one. Not giant, but it's better than what we've been catching. It's fish number 3 too. 17. There you go. Goodbye. You gotta be kidding me, man. That's what punching does. That's what punching does. Okay. Yes, sir. 20. There we go. Fish number 4. Goodbye. All right, that's fish number 4. We need 1 more to get a limit. I think we're sitting pretty good. Well, that's fish number 5. 13 3/4. All right, goodbye. That's a 5 bass limit. All right, seems like the bite's pretty hot right now, so I'm not gonna submit any fish yet. Oh, 13. Goodbye. Oh my God. I think about took, I don't know what that was. It was pretty big, whatever it was. Yeah. I think you'll call. Oh. I got so lucky. Oh, 14. I'll upgrade some fish there. Goodbye. 17 and a quarter. Okay, there we go. Goodbye. Little midday update. Went into this with no plan, no confidence. Just wanted to, just gonna wing it is what I was gonna do. And Chris Clutter had some issues with his battery. I came over to him to make sure that he's all right, and his battery's fine. It caught on fire for a little bit, but he's good now. I'm sticking around with him a little bit just to make sure he's okay. Anyways, we ended up fishing together. Chris is sitting in second place with 69 inches. I'm sitting in first with 80 inches. This is a 2-day tournament, mind you, so anything could happen from now. I mean, somebody could have bad signal and just upload 100 inches today. Who knows? So either that or someone's just gonna have a stellar day tomorrow too, and I could have a bad day. Anything could happen. So I'm not, hold my breath. I need to eat this. Everything's coming off the either speedworm, chatterbait, or punching. We left that spot alone. We're gonna come back to it tomorrow. Maybe we'll get a better bite earlier in the morning. But we're gonna make our way down to one last spot before we have to go in, which is lines out. It's 3:30. It's 12:25 right now. So a few more hours to fish. Hopefully the rain holds off till then, and then do it all again tomorrow. I would have called the 13 for sure. $13 and a quarter, first fish right there, boys. Bye. This reel's about to explode. Oh my God. That was a big one. Well, no one's gonna catch that one now. Oh my God. Oh, that sucks. That was on some grass. $14 and a quarter. That last one I missed. Goodbye. It was like a 20 something. Behind me. Jesus, man. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. I can't freaking, I don't understand. Treble hooks this time, it still got off. That was a pretty decent one. That's a good one. Oh, he got me in the grass. Oh, shoot. 13 and three quarter, or 13 and a quarter. Goodbye. Ay, ay, ay. I don't know how much longer this camera is gonna last because I only have one memory card. So we're gonna get what we can get, and then I'll keep you guys updated through my phone and go from there. You gotta be kidding me, man. Oh, go away. Got me a 17, just dragging a speedworm. I'm gonna keep doing that. Hopefully I keep upgrading like that. Bye. 9:38.